everyone, welcome to my beauty space. Okay, here's the deal. We're gonna do things a little different today. I have the cold sore from hell. Literally, it is from hell. I've just been feeling run down. Got this dang cold sore, which is proof of that. And so I really don't want to put it on camera. Don't feel like it. You know, some things just don't help you feel good about yourself, and a big old cold sore is one of those things. So I'm going to stay behind the camera today, but this video was so overdue, I knew I had to bring it to you. Makeup inventory plus pack with me, because we are going on a weekend away. If that sounds good, make sure you click that subscribe button. Join the fam. You won't regret it. And now let's just get started. You guys, I am behind on doing my makeup inventory. I usually try to do this around January. It's the end of March. Happy Easter though. Oh my goodness, he is risen. So excited. Love Easter. Love family time. I hope you guys are having a great Easter weekend. So we're going away to be with family for the weekend. And I was like, well, I need to pack and I really need to do this makeup inventory because I'm 3 months behind schedule. So let's just dive on in. I will link down below my video from last year and the year before to kind of see where I was at. If you're new here, my current goals, this is not sponsored by Waterloo, by the way. We're just a bubbly family. If it's bubbly and it's water and it's flavored, we love it. My goals with makeup have very much been the last couple years to buy what I'm going to use. Don't hoard it. It's wasteful. But, you know, that addiction went into something else. Let me just show you. Oh, yep. That's the new hoarding situation over there. But with makeup, I've tried to be a lot more thoughtful about my purchases. What am I going to wear? What am I going to use? So let's just dive on in. 2 primers. If you've been with me from the very beginning, hello, I love you so much. Thank you for being here. There was a time where this entire drawer was full of primer. Now I have 2. How exciting. Honestly, for now, I'm happy with this, but I would like to get it to where I find that truly one tried and true primer that does everything I want for my skin, which is pore fill, make my makeup look smoother, hide some fine lines, and make it wear longer. I have a house full of people. I'm sorry if you hear all kinds of noise. But 2, honestly, I'm happy with. And I think for this weekend, since it's going to be fairly low-key, I'm going to bring my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, the liquid version. So that's going to go in there. The one that is always a struggle. Foundations, okay? I'm still a foundation-aholic. These 2 I'm saving for summer because I just don't have enough color for it yet. These 2 I have been using on the regular. This is the House Labs and the About Face. But for foundations, honestly, in this world, for me, is like stellar. I'm killing it. There was a time where I had 10, 12, 15 foundation. I think this is great. And for this weekend, I think I'm going to pack my House Labs. Concealers, 3. But I've really been loving these NYX Fix Sticks. Like, I really enjoy them. They wear beautifully under my eyes. They don't crinkle up. They look really good. But I am trying to use up this Tarte Ultra Creamy Concealer. I am trying to use this up, so I'm going to pack that one for this weekend. But really like these. And honestly, 3 concealers, still happy with it. I will say, I feel like this is a portion of my collection that I've gotten a little out of hand on. A lot of these were impulse buys when I was browsing around Ulta, TJ Maxx. Honestly, I do love this Jaclyn powder. I think I will pack that. It's so beautiful. Sadly, you can't get it anymore. This was a recent Ulta sale purchase. This one I bought a while ago. I haven't used it yet, but still 6 powders is more than I want to have. Honestly, I would like to get this down to 2, maybe 3, and I think I will because I really don't need that many powders, and I'm excited to give this a try. I was kind of hoping this would be my new tried and true, because I would like something that is talc free to use on the regular. So yes, that's where I'm at. I think this is the one area I did go overboard over the last year and start of this year. So too many powders, truthfully. Oh, hold on. I had another primer. I lied. I forgot she was hiding up there. So I have 3 primers. Honestly, I do really like this one, but it's been a while since I've worn the Power Grip. So I need to wear it again and see how it competes with my Hourglass, because this is just so darn expensive. So I need to wear this, remember what it's like, because, you know, I always love a good product on a budget. So 3 primers, excuse me. There was a time where I was so full on setting sprays. I have 2. I've been using this one. I think I'll pack it because I'm hoping to use her up. This one I haven't used yet, but I've used a full bottle of this and I really do like it. I think it's supposed to be comparable to the one size. I really like this. But 2 setting sprays, honestly, happy with that because of the fact that I like having one that's a bit hydrating, one that is for makeup, for making your makeup last longer. So 2 I'm happy with. Bronzer's not terrible. Honestly, you really cannot beat this one for the price. It's so good. I am going to pack that one. This I got an Influencer, yay! This I picked up at the Ulta sale. I love a good Hoola bronzer, it is good. And I also picked up the Fenty stick, which I haven't used yet. But I see a mark like probably my daughter. Oh, yep. There's evidence my daughter was here. She definitely messed with that. Not ready to bust her open yet, but I really do want to use up my matte bronzing powder by Essence. This is so good. Still, 4 bronzer contour. This one is like got blush and everything in there, so it's like sometimes I'm just not sure where something like that fits in a makeup inventory, but I'm going to count it as a bronzer. 4 of them. I can live with that. I would like to see it get down to 2, a contour and a bronzer. If you have any good talc-free bronzer contour recommendations, please let me know. Blush. Honestly, this is improved from where I had been, but I still would like to see it a little bit less. These have 2 each, so should I count them as 2 each? Sure. 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. I would like to see this down. This one I use as a blush topper, but I'm counting it because I only put it on as blush topping, blush topper. I would like to see this probably down to a 4 maximum. I will say I love these Juvia's Place blushes, but I have a hard time. This color just wasn't meant for my skin tone. I can put it on very sheerly and it works, but it's too much, honestly. On deep skin, stunning. Bronzer's doing better. I did do a declutter. I'm not really buying any bronzer. My brain's not working. Any highlight. I think I will pack my Fenty just because it's fun. I actually use this more as eyeshadow than anything. And this Juvia's Place one has honestly become a favorite because it's just beautiful in the inner corner. Oh, it's wet because I just sanitized it with alcohol. This one is beautiful in the inner corner, beautiful on the nose. Love it. But 4, I would like to see my highlights this year get down to 2 ride or dies. That's the goal. Eyeshadow palettes. This is still a struggle. Riding the struggle bus. For sure. Too many. These are newer. These are Loves. And this is newer. 11. Tati Beauty, like, I just can't. It's so outdated, but I just can't bring myself to get rid of it. You know what? I think I'll pack this one for this weekend, and then I'm going to declutter it. It's also very old, but Coastal Scents is no longer, and I really like these eyeshadows, so it's just sad for me to get rid of it. Just like with my Tati Beauty palette. I just love it, and I'm so sad I can't get another one. And I was wrong. This one was hiding. I have 12. I wish I could bring this one. They're beautiful, but so fragile. This one cannot travel. Anything I can get rid of in here? Okay, I'll probably declutter that one. But yeah, so I am going to, right now, I'm doing it, decluttering it. So now I'm down to 11. Okay, bringing coastal scents. And then some odds and ends stuff here. This is stuff that I just didn't feel like putting in a place because it's going to go back in my case. I have 5 what I consider like liquid eyeshadows. Love the color pops. Honestly, I use these all the time. I've fallen back in love with Super Shocks. My daughter also really likes to wear them, which is fun and easy for me to put on her lid real quick. A new thing I've been testing out. This is a lip liner stain. I got it in the Ulta sale. Ignore my, I need a manicure so bad, you guys. This is a lip liner stain. I really like it. I wish I would have ordered it in 1 shade lighter, but it's really a great concept. 1 eyeshadow primer, so happy about that. 1 lash adhesive, happy with it. I still only have 2 eyeliners, pencil eyeliners I should say. Happy with that, a brown and a black, a staple. 1 liquid. I have kept repurchasing the 1 size. It is my tried or true now. Love that I found it. 1 freckle pen by Freck. So happy with that. Now let's go over here where things get a little complicated, okay? I have a lipstick lip liner problem. Lipsticks are getting better than they were. I just realized I have 1 upstairs in my purse, but I'll count it, okay? I'm not trying to cheat the system here. Let's see how many of these I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 29 pencils. Ridiculous, right? I do need to go through that. I want to see that cut in half this year. When I have time, I'm going to come down here. I'm going to swatch them all, figure out what I need, what I don't need. Honestly, I wear very few of those. Oh, I take that back. I have 31 because I have 2 upstairs in my purse. Yeah, ridiculous. Gonna cut that down. I would like to see that cut down too. There's 6 cubbies here. 6. 6 plus the 2 I keep in my purse, 8. That's the goal. 8 is the goal. I have 5 lip glosses because I have 2 up in my purse. I would like to see this down to 3. A good clear, a good color, a good nude, and call it a day. Then lipsticks. Actual lipsticks. I'm just going to lump liquid and regular together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 upstairs. My toddler's going crazy. I would like to see lipsticks come down to, I think I'd like to see it come down to just this tray. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lipsticks. That's the goal. I think that's fair. And then these are eyeshadow crayons. I use them more like an eyeliner. I think I will declutter this one because the color's not quite right for me. Use this all the time. Gonna pack it. So now I have one of a crayon. 1 crayon, does that count? 2 mascaras. This is the one I'm taking. That's my backup. 2 things of lashes. Honestly, for fun, I'm gonna pack these. Probably won't use it. I'm going to get rid of this because I just never use these and I have trouble getting them on. 2 eyebrow pencils, 2 gels. Totally fine with that. You know, 1 I'm currently using and a backup. Once these are up, I'm going back to my tried and true. So these I'm packing. This, I just didn't really know what to put it with. This is a Dreamlit Glow Under Eye Brightener. It was gifted by Pacifica. Thank you so much. And I've been using it. If you especially like a your skin but better or a no makeup type look, it's very handy. Truly, I'm pretty happy with where my makeup inventory is. There's a couple things I would like to change. Would like to get down to the 2 primers. I would like to get down to a couple less blushes, definitely less powder, but the other stuff I'm fairly happy with. The lip liner situation has got to improve. That's too much. It's insane. Overall, compared to where I was several years ago with my makeup collection, if you've been here since the beginning, you're an OG YouTube watcher, you know there was so much makeup hype. Like, it was just so much. I was so into it. I fell for everything being a small channel, I felt the need to compete with all the people who are getting products day of launch or before launch, and I was trying to compete. I've learned, can't do it. It's not my calling. It's not in my pocketbook to try to keep up with people who are making millions on YouTube, okay? Cannot do it. So I really am proud of myself for being much more thoughtful and useful with my makeup purchases. Like, I still love makeup. I still love wearing it. I wear it almost every day. Like, it's still my thing. But I don't want my makeup collection to be in a point where it's overwhelming versus fun. And I feel like I'm getting there. I always have room for improvement when it comes to impulse buying. I like to shop, like so many of us who watch YouTube or have a YouTube channel. But so much better than where I was a couple years back. So I am excited about that. Also working on changing that mindset with this, okay? What do I not have to put in my travel case? So I've got primer, foundation, concealer, setting powder, bronzer, brightener, eyeshadow crayon, mascara, eyebrows, lashes. I'm gonna throw all those odds and ends in there. I've got a highlight. I've got a fun highlight eyeshadow palette. I definitely need to grab some blush. Is there anything I'm missing? That was too easy. I'll probably just honestly use what lipstick I already have in my purse upstairs so I don't have to pack anything else. Keep it simple. I might bring the blush topper because this, why is it not focus? Camera focus. This Essence Positive Vibes Only Baked Highlight is a beautiful blush topper. And since I'm doing a pinky blush topper, I'm gonna pack this Essence e.l.f. liquid blush. I've really been enjoying these, but this is kind of peachy, so I feel like I can either make it pinker with the topper or be a bit peachy. It should work well with the eyeshadow palette because I'll show you this is quite colorful. Get back where you belong. So, very colorful, obviously. This, honestly, I'm going to miss this palette, but it is time to let it go. I've had this for so long. All right. You guys, I'm going to load up my makeup case, get myself get me and this cold sore semi put together. I can't really do my full face like I normally do because of this stupid thing. And take a shower, pack up, and get ready for a fun weekend away. You guys, I'm not going to leave that there, but seriously, again, thank you so much for hanging out with me. Thank you for being understanding of the fact that I'm not on camera for this week's video. And truly, I hope you guys have the most wonderful and blessed Easter. I hope you get to spend time with family. I hope you get some yummy food, some treats, and just some good old rest and recoup. Thank you for being here. I will see you in the next one. As always, please try to stay positive because at the end of the day, that is truly all we can try to do. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.